Hello, welcome to online home classes. Myself, Al Singh, teacher, Government High School, Chandrapur, District Ramanzun, Batoot, Class 7, Subject English, Topic Abu bin Adin, Poem, Stanza 3rd and 4th. कल के वीडियो में हमने पहले दो स्टेंजा को एक्सप्लेन किया था। आज हम अगले दो स्टेंजा जो हैं उनको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे वन बाय वन। स्टेंजा नंबर 3, एंड इज माइन वन, said Abu. Nay, not so, replied the angel. Abu spoke more low, but cheerfully still, and said, I pray thee then, write me as one that love his fellow man. And is mine one, said Abu. Nay, not so. और क्या है मेरा नाम वहाँ, कहा अबू ने। नहीं नहीं, ऐसा नहीं, replied the angel. About spoke more low. दिया फरिश्ते ने जवाब, अबू और भी मध्यम आवाज में बोला। बट चेयरफुली स्टिल एंड सेड, आई प्रे दी देन। लेकिन फिर भी खुशी के साथ इसने कहा, आपसे मेरी इल्तिजा है, आपसे। राइट मी एज वन दैट लव हिज फेलो मैन। लिख दीजिए मुझे इनमें जो करते हैं प्यार अपने इंसानों से, फेलो मैन। नो वी एक्सप्लेन दीज लाइन्स. Explain the stanza. Eagerly Abu asked if his love for God has been worthy enough to learn him a place in angel's heavenly book. The angel's negative answer comes in a kind but better affect way. But he still preserves and humbly but cheerfully make his iconic request to write his name as one who loves his fellow man. Contemplate on the fact that Abu bin Adam is unsure about his love for God, in contrast to the confidence he has of his love for mankind. Write me as one that love his fellow man. These are the words that hold the poem essence and render this poem immortal. Now stanza number 4. The angel wrote and vanished the next night. It came again with a great awakening light, and showed the name of whom love's God had blessed, and lo, bin Adam's name led all the rest. The angel wrote and vanished the next night. लिख दिया फरिश्ते ने और गायब हो गया अगली रात. I came again with a great awakening light. वो आया फिर से तेज चमक देने वाली रोशनी से. And showed the name whom lords of God had blessed. और दिखाए वो नाम जिन्हें मिला था भगवान का प्यार. And lo, Ben Adam's name led all the rest. ओह वाह, बेन आदम का नाम सबसे ऊपर. अब now we explain this stanza. Our angelic host compiled the leaves, only to return in the next night. Our poet now speak of a second awakening. Here we see a great awakening light, so bright that it throws Abu bin Adam awake at metamorphic levels. This speak of an enlightenment. Contrast this with the earlier awakening scenario, which is inherently messenger, apparently comes with some important news. This is the moment of truth, the point where most reader either smile or scoff. Whatever your action, this is where poem bears the priority of God. The angel now reveals the name whom God has blessed. The Abu bin Adan astonishment. It is his name that lead everyone's else. His love for mankind proved to be value greater than the other's love of God, and to bring charms and idealism to his interpretations of religions that find more virtue in act of compassion rather than just faith. This is what makes this poem memorable. Thank you.